Three steps onto the fast track from $1 million habits. There are three parts of the continuous learning process. By practicing these activities daily, weekly, and monthly, you will increase your productivity, performance, and output by 1/10 of 1% per day. 1/10 of 1% per day compounded. You will eventually become one of the highest paid and most successful people in your field. There are no exceptions. Step 1. Arise early each morning and read for 30 to 60 minutes in your field. Underline and take notes. अपने फील्ड का घंटे से आधा घंटा पढ़ो, अंडरलाइन करो, नोट बनाओ. थिंक ऑफ हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग टू योर डे टू डे वर्क. जो डेली कर रहे हो उसको आप कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो. थ्रू आउट द डे थिंक ऑफ हाउ यू कैन यूज what you read to be more effective. At the end of each day, review the day based on your new knowledge and skills and evaluate your results and progress. At the end of each day, review the day based on your new knowledge and skill. जो नई चीज़ सीखी उसको अप्लाई करी और उसके एंड पे डे के एंड पे देखो क्या आपने रिजल्ट हुआ. Evaluate your results and progress. There is an important psychological principle called the Hawthorne effect. In short, what this principle says is that the very act of paying attention to a particular behavior causes you to improve your performance in that area. The very act of paying attention to a particular behavior causes you to improve your performance in that area. For example, if you decided that you are going to develop the habit of listening more closely to people when they spoke and interrupting less, the very act of thinking about listening would cause you to become a better listener. ध्यान से सुनने का ही अगर आप डिसाइड कर लो तो ये बेटर लिसनर बन जाओगे आप. If you decided that you are going to focus on punctuality each day until you develop punctuality as a habit, the very act of thinking about being more punctual would cause you to become more punctual in your personal and professional life. The more you think about a behavior, the better you will become in that area. किसी भी behavior के बारे में आप सोचोगे तो उसी में आप जो बेटर बन जाओगे. When you read in your field for 30 to 60 minutes each day, अपने फील्ड का आधा से घंटा डेली पढ़ना है और उस नॉलेज को अप्लाई करना है. एंड थिंक थ्रू आउट द डे अबाउट हाउ यू कुड अप्लाई व्हाट यू हैव लर्न. यू विल टेंड टू बिकम बेटर एंड बेटर एट व्हाट यू डू, both consciously and unconsciously. The improved result you get will accumulate and compound over time. रिजल्ट जो है कंपाउंड हो जाएंगे. यू विल बिकम बेटर एंड बेटर व्हाट यू डू ऑलमोस्ट विदाउट बीइंग अवेयर ऑफ इट. अब इसको पता ही नहीं चलेगा. ए कॉलेज डिग्री ईच ईयर. इफ यू रीड 30 to 60 minutes each day, this will add up to about 1 book per week. आधा घंटा डेली पढ़ते हो तो एक किताब आपके अंदर एक हफ्ते के अंदर ऐड हो जाएगी. द एवरेज अमेरिकन रीड्स लेस देन 1 book per year. लोग एक साल में एक बुक नहीं पढ़ते. If you read 1 book per week, this will add up to about 50 books each year. एक साल के अंदर 50 किताबें पढ़ लो. As it happens, to earn a PhD from a major university require the reading and synthesis into a dissertation of about 40 to 50 books. PG के अंदर या PhD के अंदर 40-50 किताबें पढ़ते हैं. If you were to read 1 book per week, 50 books per year, you would be getting the equivalent of practical PhD in your field each year. तो के अंदर प्रैक्टिकली हर साल PhD की डिग्री ले रहे हो. If you continued reading at this level 50 books per year, you would read 500 books in next 10 years. 10 सालों में 50 books 500 books पढ़ लोगे. If you were to read 500 books in your field in the world where the average person reads less than 1 book per year, do you think that this might give you an edge? एज नहीं मिलेगा आपको 500 किताबें पढ़ने वाला और एक किताब पढ़ने वाला. द फैक्ट इज दैट यू वुड बिकम वन ऑफ द बेस्ट रीड, मोस्ट नॉलेजेबल, मोस्ट एक्सपर्ट एंड highest paid people in your field if you were simply to develop the habit of reading each morning in your field for 30 to 60 minutes. I have never met anyone anywhere throughout the world who has not transformed their lives and their career by the habit of daily reading. So develop the habit of daily reading. Develop the habit of daily reading. You must discipline yourself to leave the television or radio off. छोड़ दो टीवी रेडियो देखना. To put the newspaper aside, perhaps to rise a little earlier in the morning. कोशिश करो सुबह जल्दी उठते so that you can invest in your mind, ताकि अपने mind में invest कर सको. The investment will give you one of the highest payoffs in terms of results, rewards and satisfaction that you will ever enjoy from anything that you do. इसमें इन्वेस्ट करोगे तो कहना हाईएस्ट पे ऑफ मिलेगा, रिवार्ड्स मिलेंगे, सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलेंगे और इसको आप हमेशा एंजॉय करोगे. लर्न फ्रॉम द एक्सपर्ट्स. The second habit that you need for growth orientation is the habit of attending every seminar and course you possibly can. जो भी सेमिनार कोर्स अटेंड कर सकते हो करो. Don't make the mistake of waiting for courses and seminar to come to you or waiting for your company to organize and pay for additional training. You are completely responsible for your own life. You are completely responsible for your own life, which include your own personal and professional development. No one cares as much about your future and your career as you do. कैरियर फ्यूचर की चिंता आपको है, दूसरों को नहीं है किसी को. No one cares about your ability to increase your income and move into the top 10% of your field as much as you do. तुम्हें चिंता है कि तुम्हें इनकम बढ़ानी है, 10% टॉप में आना है, किसी और को चिंता नहीं है. You are responsible. Over the years I have spoken to more than 2 million, मतलब 2 million, 20 lakh men and women in 25 countries. I have filing cabinets full of letters, faxes and emails from my students and seminar participants. Many of them write and tell me that they will travel across the country in order to attend a seminar or workshop given by an expert or specialist in their field. They will invest enormous amount of time and money to acquire the additional specialized skills they need to move ahead more rapidly in their field. Over and over, my students tell me that they have sometimes saved themselves years of hard work as the result of attending a single program. Some of them have even gone to the top of their fields and become millionaires as the result of learning one new set of skills that was relevant and immediately applicable to their field. There is something remarkable that takes place in an adult learning situation. It is very different from attending a required course in college or university. The type of people who attend adult seminars are a much higher caliber than you meet in your day-to-day life. They are more positive, more highly motivated, have bigger and better goals, and are more determined to succeed. When you spend several hours in their company, it has a subtle but powerful subconscious effect on you. You actually become a better and more focused person by the very act of associating with other successful people in an adult learning situation or seminar. Make it a habit to seek out and attend at least 4 seminar program per year in your field. In your field के अंदर 4 seminar attend करो. If your organization has annual or national conventions, be sure to attend. National जहाँ annual है वो attend करो. Eagerly seek out and sit on the most important talks and lectures at each of these workshops or annual meetings. Sometimes one good idea from an expert in your field can transform your entire career. सारा कैरियर बदल सकते हैं